Good morning, Group 52. Not who you're expecting, but I still have a good word for you. My name is Minister Ashley, and I want to talk to you about something we all face: tests and trials. Think about it. Why do we automatically expect life to be easy? Why do we think we're not supposed to suffer? We live in a world where comfort is often the goal, but what if there's more to it than just avoiding pain? In Romans 5:3 and 5, it says, "Not only so, but we also rejoice in our sufferings, because we know that suffering produces perseverance, perseverance, character, and character, hope. And hope does not disappoint us, because God has poured out his love into our hearts by the Holy Spirit." And in James 1:2 through 4, it says, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish its work, so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything." Did you catch that? Joy in suffering. God doesn't promise we won't face hard times. In fact, he promises that through these tests, we can grow stronger. It's like working out. The pain from lifting weights, it leads to stronger muscles. The struggle of the test, it leads to perseverance and character and ultimately hope. So why do we resist suffering so much? Why do we feel like it's wrong or unfair when things get tough? Is it because we don't think God cares anymore? Or is it because we've been taught that life is supposed to be a smooth ride? What if it's the opposite? What if these struggles are the very things that build us into the people we were created to be? It's time we rethink how we see suffering. Instead of asking, "Why me?" we could ask, "What is God trying to teach me through this?" Because in the end, perseverance finishes its work and brings us closer to who we are. So, what trial in your life could you consider pure joy? What if you embrace that thing knowing that one day it will make you stronger? Remember, God's love is always with you no matter what you're facing. Group 52, have the best week of your life.